Maritime skills as a whole is really about bringing to life some of the skills we talk about in our history class, or might be brought up in literature, and really brings home that maritime tradition of stuff we talk about. So for some people, they do ship smithing, so they're working with iron. Or myself, I'm doing sea shanties, so I'm singing work songs that merchantmen would have sung as they were hauling up sail or doing some other task that required doing.
Chanteys are obviously a rather antiquated thing, especially in the modern world, and especially in the modern maritime industry. So coming here and learning how important of a tool that chanteys actually were, and how seriously they were taken during the age of sail, was a completely new and one-of-a-kind experience. I don't think I could get anywhere else.
The skill class that I took along with another classmate, John, is we did canvas work. So we make these traditional sailor ditty bags that sailors used to throw over their shoulders when they're climbing aloft to hold all the tools that they needed. But the construction of the sailor ditty bag allows us to go through all the techniques that are needed into making an actual sail and designing an actual sail.
I was in the sailing skills class. It was very cool learning how to sail a small boat and be out there by myself. I did capsize once. I actually got a trophy today filled with mud from the bottom of the Mystic River. It was the first to capsize trophy, and I'm very proud to have been awarded this honor. There's a lot of mud in that estuary. I will just say that.
One of my goals when I came here was that I wanted to learn how to sail because I knew nothing about boats or sails or anything like that. So I was proud of myself for learning how to sail and being able to say that I know how to do that kind of now.
We actually get to climb up on the Joseph Conrad and the Charles W. Morgan and furl sail, which was a lot of fun. We also got to learn breeches buoy, basically in an old-fashioned way that the life-saving services used to basically rig a zip line to the mast of a ship that was wrecked offshore and save the men aboard. We also got to learn how to prepare and fillet a cod, which was really fun, because then we got to take that cod home and we boiled it and turned it into a delicious stew.
You're bringing to life something that is almost a lost art. It can really help bring to life some of those concepts you talk about in a history class. It's a good chance to relax too from your normal studies, because it's such a different environment. You're just doing something completely different.
The ash and the bonny elm tree are all grown greener in me own country, and it's all